We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone that won't turn off and is stuck on. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this can be a frustrating problem because you're wanting to go and not go and have the iPhone on anymore and turn it off, but you're unable to. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go miss an important part of this video. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So to go about resolving this, we can actually go and do a restart, and this should go and solve it. What we're going to have to do is we're going to go and perform a force restart because of course we're unable to properly use it, but we can actually use a button combination to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. So we're going to do that now, volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now, most likely the screen isn't going to go and change and it's just going to remain stuck there and stuck on. If it does, you may see this screen here, but if you don't worry. Just keep it held down. It should shortly go black, but keep the button held down as I am right now. Only go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. And this indicates that it's now starting again. So go and keep waiting and shortly it will come back on. And then it should go and be functioning as normal and we'll be able to go and turn it off and lock it and it will no longer be on. So keep waiting, here we are, and as you can see, I'm now using it as normal, and now when you go and press that side button, it should go and turn off like that. So hopefully to help this video, you managed to go and solve the problem. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. If you have any suggestions, feel free to go and put them below in the comments, and I look forward to getting back to them, and potentially we can go and make a video on them. So that's it. I look forward to helping you guys again. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.